Ready, folks? Okay, we're gonna make some of the eco resin plaster of Paris stuff and fill these moulds up. Now, I'm not sure about colouring it or just going with white and then painting it. I don't know. I'll load these cups. Teleport.
If you're over 40 and haven't exercised in years, you can't just hit the gym 3 times a week and expect results. It doesn't work that way. Most likely you've got a marriage belly and thin arms, and so lifting weights will only put muscle under fat, and the look won't be what you dream of. If you want a toned, feminine body, you need to burn fat and build muscle at the same time. The solution? Military calisthenics. Do it every morning, and in just 1 month, you'll melt calories, the body weight moves, build real strength. How to start? Download.
Hundreds stood at the center of royal.
Mils. So if I put 130 mils in here.
And upheaval, as religious divisions reshaped England's institutions. At the centre of the scene are Westminster Stairs.
Oh yeah,
a busy
that's
riverbank
perfect. Let's open up these. I don't know if they're going to work right, but we'll see. Hope so. Little bubble on that wing mirror. I'm going to paint these little bits.
Trust me, he just won the lottery. Okay, so that was all sincere, but I'm feeling a little sick.
A lot. I wasn't sure it was going to come out good, but it has. I'm going to paint it up still. A few air bubbles. Up there. Wow.
It is. Thank you very much. I can't take it. Why? I'm gonna get a loan from a bank, like a normal person that I've never been.
But this is more practical.
It's not about being practical. It's about being responsible.
Love it.
Take the pride.
Listen, I just
I thought it was going to have a hole in it,
hear both of you guys.
which maybe it's not built for a hole in it. It's strange, isn't it? But it's cute still. It'll go with the other bits. That one's better than the last one. There's a couple of air bubbles still, but it looks good. I think I could fill all those in, you know. Get down, you. I want to put holes in the bottom. Really, the ideal. I think maybe with some straws. Greens, black around the windows maybe, or white, dark brown there.
So what do you want to do with the money?
Again, I'd like to do holes through the bottom.